Welcome to our video on the amazing home battery backup power system. Today, we'll learn how this innovative technology can bring peace of mind and save you from those dreaded power outages. Picture this. It's a stormy night, and suddenly, your lights go out. But wait, your home battery backup power system kicks in, sparing you from the darkness. This state-of-the-art system stores energy during low-demand periods so you can power your home even during high-demand times or when the grid fails. It's not just about surviving blackouts, it's about cutting your energy bills too. With the home battery backup power system, you can store excess energy generated by solar panels for future use. The best part? You become more self-sufficient and reduce your carbon footprint by relying less on traditional energy sources. You might be wondering, how does it work? Simple. The system collects energy and intelligently manages its distribution throughout your home. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with your existing electrical system, making installation a breeze. With this system, you're in control. Use an app on your smartphone to monitor energy usage, check battery levels, and even set preferences. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. Our home battery backup power system requires minimal upkeep, with long-lasting battery technology built to endure and perform flawlessly. And don't worry about your trusty appliances. This system provides a reliable and uninterrupted power supply, protecting your devices from unexpected power surges. Let's talk safety. The system includes multiple safeguards, such as surge protection and automatic shutdown, keeping you and your loved ones secure. Imagine no more spoiled food during long-lasting outages. With the home battery backup power system, your refrigerator and freezer will continue keeping things fresh. And for added convenience, you can customize the system to prioritize essential circuits, ensuring critical appliances, like medical devices, never lose power. Say goodbye to noisy generators and hello to silent power. The home battery backup power system operates silently, so you can enjoy peace and quiet even during an outage. Did we mention the potential cost savings? By relying less on the grid and lowering your household energy consumption, you'll see the impact on your energy bills. It's time to future-proof your home. The home battery backup power system prepares you for the increasing demand for energy in the years to come. So, say goodbye to frustrating power outages, save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and embrace the future of energy independence. What are you waiting for? Investigate home battery backup systems today and join the renewable energy revolution. Thank you for watching our informative and entertaining video.